Okay, welcome to McAfee, our review today. Titingnan natin ano bang meron dito sa McAfee. What's new with the McAfee Total Protection Antivirus. Okay, and all-in-one protection for your personal information and privacy. So you can enjoy life online. Includes 2 years of premium antivirus, safe browsing, identity monitoring, and secure VPN. So it has three kinds of subscription, or the value that they can give to you. That mayroong plus, that's good for 5 device for 2 years. The basic is one device for 2 years, and the basic is one device for 1 year. Okay, and the price is $44.99, and today pay 89 for 2 year subscription, and introductory pricing for new customers. You can visit their website for more information for a while. So how does McAfee protect your privacy? It has an advanced monitoring, faster and broader detection for your identity, automated privacy, VPN that turns on automatically for unsafe networks, custom guidance protection score with tips to keep you safer, and it is easy to use. Sample setup for protection and all your devices. So advanced monitoring, you can monitor your computer, you are browsing, and um, faster and broader detection for your identity. So one of the reason bakit nahahack yung ating mga information, no, is um, it has pag nagba-browse tayo sa internet, so actually we are not safe, lalo na pag wala tayong protection. But for McAfee, we feel safer kasi nagde-detect ito, no? Nagde-detect ito um, ng mga incoming na mga nag get ng ating mga information. So some of the website kasi they are fishing our information. So for McAfee, it has an advanced monitoring. Okay, you can monitor your browsing, okay, your computer, and it has an automated privacy VPN that turns on automatically for unsafe networks. Okay, yung minsan may napupuntahan tayo ng mga website um, that are not safe. So automatically nagde-detect yung McAfee. It will turn on automatically for unsafe networks. So nasa-sense niya yung mga sites na unsafe. Okay? And customized guidance, protection score with tips to keep you safer. So they will teach you, meron siyang mga protection score, okay, to keep you safer. So you can click this options pag na-download yun na po yung McAfee. Okay, and it's easy to use. Simple setup for protection on all your devices. Okay, and all the products include the award-winning antivirus. um, McAfee is actually one of the earliest antivirus in the market. Okay, so all products include award-winning antivirus. So it's one of the earliest antivirus in the market. Now I remember when I was student pa. Now we are already using this one sa school. Okay, so protect your computer and personal information from hackers and criminals. Okay, so this is award-winning antivirus. So they are in the market for decades. So okay, so we can rely on this kasi matagal na sila. Sila yung mga pioneers, no, sa antivirus. Okay, and it has firewall, secure your firewall and block hackers from accessing your home network. So meron siyang protection aside from your Windows protection na firewall. This has an additional firewall for more protection. Okay, and meron din siyang password manager. So one of the best thing is this one kasi sa dami-dami nating pinupuntahan na sites and we have a lot of registrations done through a lot of our transactions and some of it kasi nag-explore tayo dun sa may mga product, may mga services na ganito, then we registered for us to avail of their services. So minsan sa dami-dami na ng ating mga password nakakalimutan natin. Now this has meron siyang meron siyang password manager ang McAfee. So you can manage their password using McAfee. So it's better kasi safer kasi antivirus siya eh. Okay, and yeah. So one of the reason minsan register tayo ng paulit-ulit sa ating creating a new accounts like Facebook and other social media and our emails kasi we forgot our password. Ayan. So McAfee has the power to manage your password. So maganda siya, no? And files reader, delete sensitive files completely to ensure no traces are left behind. So meron tayong mga minsan binubura natin ng mga file, especially mga sensitive na ayaw natin matrace ng iba. Okay? So yung iba ka din kasi pag may mga alam sa computer, no, they can check your history. So this McAfee has the power to delete sensitive files completely. No traces are left behind. So maganda siya. So you are safer. Okay, and online security experts, get technical assistance and peace of mind from our dedicated team and support knowledge base. So we can ask 24/7 kung meron tayong mga tanong, technicalities, no, sa software na ito. They have their support. So yun ang maganda pag we buy this one and yung legit talaga na account meron tayo, so they can fully support us. Okay, so we can get even more knowledge by chatting or asking to their technical experts. Okay, so McAfee has this one. Then web protection, yun nga po, browse freely and safely with ease. So we really feel safer, hindi man 100% na safe, but we are safer. Okay, using this McAfee antivirus. Okay, and it has a protection score. Mataas kasi yung rating nila sa pagiging antivirus nila. Okay, and yeah, these are the criteria, no, kung meron silang secure VPN. Okay, protect your personal data and location from prying eyes. So you cannot be easily monitored or check ng mga gustong mag-hack or whatever to see your identity. Okay, and access public Wi-Fi. Especially pag nag-access tayo dun sa mga public na Wi-Fi, hindi siya safe actually generally, but if we have this McAfee, meron siyang features na mas magiging safe tayo. Okay, multi-platform compatibility. Protect your complete Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android device. So, they have versions for Mac and Android. Okay, Windows and iOS, Apple. So, it depends no kung meron kayong Apple or whatever device that you have. They have all the compatible antivirus that you can select from. Then parental controls, protect your entire household using a single subscription. Get peace of mind knowing your kids are protected online. So it's one of the concern of the parents, no, yung mga anak natin na kung wala tayo, nagba-browsing sila. So this has features to control the browsing of your kids at home. Okay, so maganda siya. Mas safe tayo yata yung mga anak. Okay, online account cleanup. Get help to remove your personal information from old online accounts. Still hold on to it. Just enter your Gmail or Microsoft. Yeah. So, yung mga traces nga po natin sa mga pinupuntahan natin na site na nananakaw ng mga hackers or mga phishing apps. Okay, so this one, McAfee has the power to remove our informations. So maganda, no? You can click them and scan. You can identify. Nakakalimutan natin minsan, marami tayong pinupuntahan na we enter our information. Then some of the sites kasi nagre-remain yung natin, yung mga digital signature natin. Okay, McAfee has the power to clean all our accounts. Okay, personal data cleanup. Help prevent your personal info from being sold online. Ayan. Yung mga information natin, some of the data miners, no? Yung mga naghahanap ng mga ganitong criteria ng mga tao, ganitong position, ganitong trabaho, they can easily find you and get your information and sold your information. Okay, and McAfee has the power, no, to hide your identity from data broker sites. Yun yung mga nagbebenta ng mga information. Okay, they are stealing our information because they are selling it doon sa mga nagma-market ng mga product. So they can trace our history of browsing kasi. So they will know what our interest. Ano ba yung pinupuntahan natin? Anong interest natin? Like we are interested on investment. So you will be receiving emails about investment, whatever. Kung ano mga hilig natin, yun din yung mga nare-receive natin na na mga email, minsan doon sa mga social media, yun ang mga nagsasuggest na mga site, mga advertisement, kasi you are identified doon sa mga yung mga hilig mo, no? So they will know, no? They will know your what kind of person you are. So they are selling your identity, and those companies that are selling things that you are interested in, no, na binibisita mong website. Okay, so this McAfee has the power to prevent your information of being mined, no, ng mga data broker sites. Okay, so visit the sites of this McAfee. You can check. Okay, and protection score keeps you safer, and all the confidence you need. Okay, you do you, and we'll protect the rest with our purchase and protection guarantees. And if you have any questions, our security experts are available 24/7 for help. At okay, meron silang 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so I hope that I give you information for this McAfee, at bisitahin nyo na lang po yung website nila. Okay, this one's their website, mcafee.com, and you can even download their their the product. So for if you want to test, I think they have around 30 days of trial, or you can check na lang po. You can download, okay, the trial version. Okay, ito na lang muna po yung ating review for McAfee Antivirus. Thank you. And don't forget po sa pag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat and see you. God bless po.